everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Manju. Today I'm going to prepare a vegetable protein pizza. So homemade pizza and nutritious, and this is actually a marathon cooking challenge. Within 10 days we show a recipe. So today's recipe is a pizza, yellow moong dal soaked for 3 hours, and now going to blend this. Just follow me. I need to add a little salt. Just going. Active fiber complex. This is actually a healthy bag. You can see it has just 12 calories for 6 grams of fiber. One scoop has 6 grams. Even we can add 2. We can personalize, that's why it's a personalized fiber. And personalized protein powder. బేకింగ్ సోడా. సో ఇవన్నీ ప్రాపర్గా మిక్స్ చేసుకొని ఫెంటాస్టిక్గా ప్యాన్ ఏదైతే ప్యాన్ మీద మీరు చక్కగా స్ప్రెడ్ చేసుకొని నీట్గా వన్ సైడ్ కుక్ అయ్యాక నెక్స్ట్ వెజిటేబుల్స్ చాప్ చేసి రెడీగా పెట్టుకుంటే కనుక వీ కెన్ కీప్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అ డ్రెస్సింగ్. టాపింగ్స్ వేసుకోవచ్చు, క్యాప్సికమ్, ఆనియన్, టొమాటో అండ్ పన్నీర్, ఈవెన్ కార్న్ అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ ద వెజిటేబుల్స్ కూడా మీరు యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. And then I added like oregano, at the same time chili flakes. Next, oregano is the heart of the pizza topping and best flavor ichedi. And next a little bit of chili flakes and grated cheese. Next I grated cheese, and this is a very healthy and balanced as a low calorie in place of lunch or in place of snack or in place of dinner. You can replace it. So in such a way you can personalize your diet with the nutrition, adding the additional proteins, additional fibers. Actually it's not additional, it's a balanced. The meal should be low calorie, tasty. As you know, moong dal has rich protein. And here is a delicious pizza after cooking of 5 to 3 minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes. And we are enjoying our healthy snack. As a snack we are taking because 4 people are consuming this. So we really enjoyed it. Do you want more recipes? Please DM me, contact me. Thanks for